and we can take it to the next level. And I will say that thank you to OP Singh sir. Through him, we are also promoting Indrashil University to all the doctors, and we'll go live. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhinand sir, for this setting the background and telling us about Mr. OP Singh. And from nowhere to now here, nothing is impossible. These are the golden words actually attributed to OP Singh sir. And he says, always look for opportunities to learn. It will only make you wiser and help you stay grounded. With these words, I invite one of our students, Manthan. Sir, it is Manthan. Manthan, please join us to introduce OP Singh sir, and we'll kickstart the speech, the address by him.
Okay, am I audible, sir?
Yes, Manthan.
Okay, so first of all, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are gathered here in this webinar to witness the power of consistent hard work and perseverance. Life is always full of surprises. You never know who you are going to meet that will change your life forever. And the one who absolutely resembles with this is our speaker, Mr. OP Singh. Mr. OP Singh is currently President, Sales and Marketing, Divisions of Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited. He began his journey in pharma fields as an MR and have risen to the position of Chief of Biochem Pharma Limited. He's handled a team of more than 3,000 employees. By admiring his excellence in work, he has been promoted 9 times in the span of 20 years. On top of that, he has been featured 3 times in the Limca Book of Records for his outstanding achievement in pharma industry. He contributed in many pharma fields such as anti-infectives, respiratory, pain, gastroenterology, cardiovascular, body derivatives, vaccines, etc. So now I would like to invite Mr. OP Singh to enlighten us towards the path of success and share his experience. Now this virtual stage is all yours. Over to you, Mr. OP Singh, sir.
Thank you, Manthan. You have a lovely voice. Let me now compliment you. Lovely voice.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But
The pleasure is all
before I
mine.
start, my good friend Abhinand, the way he described me and then gives me a different kind of response. He has set responsibility very nicely today, that I should not compromise on my duty for which I am invited here. So that's a leadership quality which, Abhinand, I have to learn from you. Wonderful. And thank you, Dr. Namrata, for setting the stage. And you have a lovely student whom you have chosen to introduce. Excellent voice and the clarity. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think it gives me a pleasure. And when you especially interact with the youngsters, the future of the world, you also still feel like young. So I'm not 30 years of experience. I will say only 30 minutes of experience now. Talk to each one of you and would like to see each one of you have liked, learned, and of course unlearn, and then relearn, and then grow in your life. I think that is very, very important. Such sessions are being done plenty in number nowadays. People comes, talks, the audience listen, and they forget. But I think that's not the purpose of such interaction. It's more important to take some learning from some individuals and see to it what really made that person successful. And today, being into Cadila Pharma, I think Indrashil University is a part of this group, and I have got an equal responsibility, like Abhinand, you, and Dr. Namrata, like you, to see to it the students, those are listening to this conversation, should carry some core messages which can really transform their life. I do not know how much I'll able to justify out of my talk and dialogue and discussion. But I think if you have keen to learn, you can learn from every individual. So it's more to all the students, those are listening to this conversation of ours, dialogue of ours, presentation of mine, would certainly help each one of you. I personally feel talking to the young guys gives you a different energy, power, and take you back maybe 35 years back of my student days. Let me share with you. I'm passed out from Calcutta University and wanted to be a doctor in life, but failed. So I would have be a doctor. But today, I think Mr. Avinand rightly said, I have more than 4,000 doctor friends. So what? If you have failed to achieve something in your life, don't regret. There is something better stored for you. Truly speaking, stored for you. And I feel, good, I have failed. I have not become a doctor. I have 4,000 doctor friends. And I'm able to reach out to the society in large number through those doctor friends. What was the purpose of becoming a doctor? Purpose is very clear. To take care of your livelihoods and serve the society. And of course, when I talk about 35 years of back, most noble profession, still most noble profession. And especially after COVID, doctors are God. Truly, they are God. There was a WhatsApp message was circulating some time back that people have stopped visiting to temples. You know why? Because all God and Goddess have gone to hospital, bedside of the patient. And that what is the reason why people have stopped going to temple. So doctors are truly most important person of our society, and which COVID have made them, the whole society realize. In one of my talk, actually, I was addressing to 50,000 and plus people at one platform. I said very clearly that in our life, when you have a dream and you want to chase your dream, you should be a passionate guy. Only a passionate man can ride a mad horse. But that passion doesn't come at one failure. Maybe second failure also not possible. Maybe third failure teaches you a lot. I said, hey, enough masti, no more. When I was into Calcutta University, I was the president of the university. And the common place was the common room, student common room. So I can't become a doctor. Doctor banna hai to padhna padta hai, right? You have to be in the classroom. But if you are not into the classroom, then you'll become a leader. And that's what I am presenting myself as a pharma leader, people leader, where my job is to get the job done. My common room has taught me a lot how to manage the crowd. And probably the 3,000 employees today, if working with me, that learning is really helping me today. And probably that is the reason why I could able to reach out to many premium records such as Limca book, which my good friend Avinand said it. So it's all come from your past learning. Nothing is waste in life. Please remember, whatever you are doing, even you are good in singing, good in dancing, good in playing, good in gossiping, good in not doing anything, still you are worth. Because I am reminded by someone said कि दिन में बंद घड़ी भी 2 बार सही वक्त दिखाता है, 2 times. The watch, which is not working, at least twice it shows you the right time. And that's what I'm trying to say, sir. None of you are less important in whatever way. Some of them are scoring very high mark, some of them very less mark. Chetan Bhagat, 5.5, if you have read his book, 5.5 is much better than 9.5, guys. So dear students, on behalf of the Indrasil University, I welcome all of you, and I hope I have touched some of your heart, mind, soul, and trying to excite you. Jo karte ho, karte raho. You will excel in your life. But pick up the good practices in life from every individual. And I think I'm here to take you through a very professional presentation because you are going to be tomorrow executive in your future of some of the institute like Mount Cadilla or like Indrasil University. You need to learn how to face the challenges in the life. And that what is my today's topic, that it is threat or an opportunity. And I will now take you through my presentation and hope each one of you will have some learning out of this presentation. But please remember, read the presentation beyond what is visible. Just so you don't see only on the screen, because that is really not going to help you. See beyond what I'm trying to communicate, right? So with this, I'll put you on the presentation.
Girish bhai, screen share the badena, share screen.
Yeah. So is this screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Wonderful. But my screen has gone from my laptop. One sec.
Yeah, it's visible now. You can turn on your video camera, so it's fine.
Yeah, just wait. Yeah, is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a screen saying you have two options in life. Two. Either accept the situation and await for right time to come. अच्छे टाइम आएंगे. आज मेरी बुरी दिन है, but अच्छे दिन आएंगे. That's one way the people respond or react to the crisis. That's how it is. And the second one, sorry for the inconvenience. There are some laptop technical issue. One sec. So, as I mentioned, you have two options in life. One is accept the situation and await for the good time to come. And the second one, you must innovate how to overcome the situation and stand out victorious. Means you are ready to face the challenges and come out successfully from the crisis. And this type of people will find plenty in life. नहीं हो सकता है, छोड़ दो इसको, अभी let be right time to come. आज छोड़ दो इसको, आज मत टच करो, कल ट्राई करते हैं. These are the very common response you might have received from your colleagues. Today, you are not able to solve a difficult task. So you'll say, चलो कल देखते हैं, fresh mind में आके कल सोचते हैं. But there are people, they really see very, very differently. And how this COVID crisis, the Indian government has dealt with. I'm giving you the latest example so that you all will understand what I'm trying to communicate, because this must be the very fresh to our mind. Many of us had given a hope that now for next couple of months, we are not really going to work. We are not going to really survive. What is going to happen? Uncertainty was at peak. But one leader, he emerged, hero in the world, truly speaking. And he is none other than our own Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Bhai Modi. What he did, if you recall the all episodes, what he did, he tried to took people into the confidence. पहले क्या किया? थाली बजाओ, लाइट जलाओ. What was this? He was trying to divert the attention of the people of this country from the problem to and celebration. And I think this is a great leadership style. And I personally feel that is what make you to stand out from a group of people who live with the situation and the group of people who want to see opportunity within the crisis. And then our Prime Minister, what he did? Confidence building, boosting, mood changing, and the whole world that time was under gloomy situation. Why am I making this statement to all of you? Many of you must be going under this crisis situation. Even as a student, even as one of the family members, even as one of the part of the society. And I think nothing can be better example than the COVID-19 pandemic, which has really shook the whole world. Economic growth is the biggest challenge. And then after certain time of lockdown, I think it was started in month of end March, 20th March, I still believe. And then in month of May, things started opening so fast. Why he did like this? Why the lockdown happened? If I have to tell you, we as a Indian government not prepared to have so many patients in each district and in each states. So we took the time. He took the time as a leader. He was not allowing to create panic among the society. Oh God, if something happened to me, how I'm going to be treated? How I'm going to be get the admission in the hospital? What the medicine is available? I think it was a great leadership style. So lockdown started. He put entire machineries, entire secretariats, entire his administrations into action and start preparing the infrastructure. Started learning the COVID actually, what it is, what this virus is. And the whole medical fraternity have jumped into it and tried to learn how to handle. And honestly speaking, what the result? See the result. India's COVID death rate is one of the lowest globally. Dropped from 1.72% of the world, 1.72% in India from the 4% what is globally. When it happens, when you have a vision and when you understand your country better, your infrastructure better, your society better, and your capabilities better. And India has a lower cases per million. Lower cases per million. And the data is in front of you. So the point what I'm trying to say here, that when the crisis comes, there are people could have reacted very differently. But I must salute our Honorable Prime Minister that he showed the pathway and given a really ray of hope to the whole world that if India with such a second largest population in the world, I think we are still into lakhs, not in crores. It is marvelous success story of functioning into the crisis and saying it is a threat or an opportunity. So the point, what I am trying to hear, that how innovative you are going to be during this crisis, and I will give few examples because it's a corporate presentation. And the few examples is Zoom. We are on Zoom right now. What happened to Zoom? The share price of 1 rupee has gone to 1,000 rupees of Zoom. 1,000 times the opportunity grabbed by the Zoom. And they have developed the capabilities. It is not that just happened. They have improved their bandwidth. They have worked very hard. They understood when there is going to be social distancing, there is a movement restricted, there is going to be a huge opportunity for us to create a virtual platform for each individual in the world. And that business, Zoom, from nowhere, it has become a 19 billion company in 2020. From 19 billion company to $105 billion company in this 2020 September. That is the price of Zoom. It's truly zoomed. I think great example of management. Nothing can be better example than this. So this is the latest one. I'll give one more example to all of you. Paytm. Koi nahi janta tha. Very few people were knowing. What happened during demonetization? People said no cash. They were not getting cash enough from the bank. You have to convert from old note to the new notes, new configuration. Paytm became the hero. And the price shot up like anything. Second example, since I'm addressing to the educational institute, Byju's, one of the best example where you can see that it is in most shorted and high demand today. And every second child, maybe they are using Byju's. Those are into that range of studies where they can be benefited. But today, every child is using Zoom, MS Microsoft, Google. I think there are Blue Jeans. There are multiple level of, such platform is created. And those who are smart enough, they have grabbed the opportunity and made business. So it's an opportunity for these companies. Zoom, Paytm, Byju's, it's a big opportunity. So that is how people should look for an opportunity even into crisis, if you can really do that. So now this is overall general. Now I'm going to take you through the corporate, which I'm keeping today, the Cadila. Let me give you the live example of Cadila Pharmaceutical, because that would be something which will be close to my heart. I may not take the credit of Zoom or Paytm or Byju's, but what is being done here into my corporate, I will certainly take the pride and I will feel happy that I am sharing our own example. We are not going to borrow, hire, bring from outside. It's the own example of our own corporate, which is also a partnering with Indrasil University. So the point what I'm trying to say here, Cadila, we took the challenge in our stride. What we did, Cadila Pharma played its due role towards the society, duly matching with its corporate philosophy. The care continues. We are a healthcare guy. If a doctor and hospital during this pandemic would have thought of sit at home, protect from the COVID-19 pandemic, I don't think I would have done the justice towards my duty. I'm a healthcare professional. I have taken a degree, I have taken an oath to serve the society and the ailing humanity. Each doctor cannot claim that, no, sir, during COVID I can't work. You have taken an oath to come forward to serve the society, treat the ailing humanity, and eradicate such dreaded infection from the society. Similarly, this doctor oath is not going to help. We have also taken oath once we are into this profession of pharmaceutical. Without the pill, the COVID can't be treated. It is not something which the surgery done and they are gone. No, you have to provide a right medication, and that's what business we are in. And that's the point our late chairman, sir, Indravadan Ambalal Modi, sir, has said that we are working for the poorest of the poor of this country in order to produce the quality drug at the cheapest price, most affordable price. And that philosophy is being displayed in our entire Bhat campus. And I think those who has ever got a chance to visit, you will find here nice quote, very appealing, close to the heart, which makes a lot of sense. And that care continues. We have taken a complete care of our employees, and the complete resilience and dedication is being demonstrated during this COVID time. And let me share with all of you, I, OP Singh, for last 6 months, worked every day. No work from home, no leave. And we feel that we are working for a great organization. That entire organization were operating during even lockdown period. We had to reach out to the collectorate office and collect the passes for our vehicles, for our employees. Those were supposed to go to produce medicine from our Dholka factory, from different institutes, wherever we have such manufacturing facilities. And we have walked. We were at risk. We were at risk, but we thought, no, let us serve our society, for which our late chairman, sir, has started this company 70 years back, and the care continues. And Cadila is the only company in India which established post-independence and proud of its continuity in providing service, quality, and care. So I personally feel that it's worth learning for each one of you, dear students, that even during crises, if you're committed to serve the society, don't back out. Stay there, and with full care and safety. Of course, we have lost a couple of lives also. If you're going to fight the war, there could be casualty. उनको शहादत में हम सैल्यूट करते हैं. So the point what I'm trying to say that to serve the society, we have continued 24/7. We have not stopped. And all our offices were operative, whether Jammu, whether Dholka, whether Bhat, whether Kadi. I think everywhere we ensured to contribute towards this pandemic. And I am very happy to share with all of you. In the process, we have invented one drug, and the name of the medicine is Sepsivac, which has saved many lives. Many lives. And our scientists, our manufacturing units, our supply chain people, all of them have worked very hard. So it's worth listening to the story. Only pharma company in India were operative 24/7 for all the 6 months. No other pharma company. People still taken that kind of care for themselves. But we said, we will take care, but still continue care for the society. And that commitment level is worth mentioning. I thought, let me share with all of you. So I think we have a lot of initiative taken. This was the philosophy of Cadila, and that philosophy is still continuing. And we are committed in order to make sure that we should be able to achieve the expectation of our countrymen and women. And Cadila, the brand, which is household name today in this country. Many of you have born and grown with Cadila products. Many of you have been crying during childhood, and we used to provide Cadila gripe water. If you take it, the child starts smiling. So that's the Cadila brand. We have given so much of smile to many, the guy who is speaking and the guy who is listening. And that's Cadila I'm talking about. So dear friends, dear students, dear my future leaders, don't forget what I said right now. Even at the cost of life, at the cost of comfort, at the cost of all this luxury, I was allowed to work from home. I was allowed. But if I have to see my people working in the factory, can I sit at home? No. Leader has to lead from the front. Then only the whole team feel like working more and more. And that what is the best learning I would give to each one of you from this live example of mine. All the leadership team of Cadila has worked during this lockdown period, whether it was the corporate office or it was our manufacturing units across the country. So, एक learning है, commitment towards the duty should not compromise. And when it question comes of life, then तो कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. You should dedicate yourself to the job which you are going to get in your life. So coming back to few initiatives which I'll share with you. The 3,000 employees across the country in the field, 3,000 to 4,000 into different 8 to 9,000 employees. Our HR were so committed to connect all these employees on weekly basis to inquire about their well-beings. How are you? How is your family? Do you require any help? And that kind of connect demonstrated by even HR team. So every department, whether HR, whether finance, whether production, whether supply chain, of course, supply chain plays a major role. Trucks were there, drivers were not there. Now imagine, even you produce the medicine, you can't reach out, you can't supply, it can't reach out to the needy people. So in that pandemic situation, even our supply chain people were looking forward the drivers, providing all the safety to them and made sure that truck must move. And different kind of permissions are taken to cross different states. It was not easy. We were not experienced of all this. But we have learned a very hard way. And we were successful. We are successful. So here a few staffs, daily connect by managers, HOS staffs, virtual meetings, face-to-face meetings, we stopped. Training of field staffs, we started doing that, 250 training session. I think my training colleague is here. I mean, he would remember that how many training sessions he has attended. 120 topic imparted during this time. And I think all the people who has worked from home, especially in the field, they were not allowed to move out. They are not allowed to move out, but still they have tried to connect their customer. And that work from home, we allowed to our field team. But production team cannot work from home. Machine pe aadmi chahiye. Truck pe medicine load karne ke liye you need people. It cannot be done work from home. There are few things can be done work from home. Such motivational talk can be work from home. But that's not the right quality of a leader. You must stand there, work from the spot and fire from there and motivate your team. And that's what is the great leadership demonstrated in Cadila Pharma. When it comes to these stockists to generate new sales orders, I think a lot we did. Over 500 stockists connected through webinar. Our marketing team did not stop. They connected all the stockists because two people were working. The sabji wala they were working. The vegetable guy, the emergency, the grocery shops, milk suppliers, medicine shop, and the stockist. These are the 4 or 5 people were operative. We are very lucky that we are into healthcare. Very, very lucky that we are into healthcare. And I feel I'm very lucky that I'm into Cadila. Had it been in other company, I would have been at home for the last 6 months. Still their offices are operating from home. But I have no experience of work from home. Let me tell you, to all of you. But I'm told work from home is very painful. They are saying many relationship got spoiled. I'm not here to talk about that. So मैं तो बोला कि मेरी तो relationship must है. I am working from office. So that's way I am very lucky. So dear leaders of tomorrow, don't opt easy things in life. That is a message to all of you. Work from home was a pleasure initially. It has turned into the pain. And I know all pain when people share with me. मैं बोलता हूँ आप घर से काम कर लो. बोले no sir, I want to come to office. So this is how is the experience. And I wanted to share live experience to each one of you. Don't opt easy thing in life. Please remember, that only gives pain, never pleasure, never pleasure. So when come to retailers, I think they have played a major role. We have connected close to 56,000 retailers with an app called Media, electronic media. And we could able to see that our availability of the drug is available for those needy people, because we are into cardiac management, diabetes management, hypertension management, GI management, acidity management, pain management. Pain, no medicine. Imagine how much problem to that patient, and that kind of role we have played. We felt their pain as our pain. Irrespective what commercial role, that's not the point during COVID time. It was purely from the window of how I can really serve the society. So I personally feel these are the initiatives Cadila Pharma has taken, their leaders have taken, their employees have taken, and result, hold, I'll come. You all will be surprised. You will surprised. ऐसा भी होता है. And that what I'm going to talk to you in my next slides. But what is that? We had a marketing strategy. We are in the business of connecting doctors. We wanted to connect doctors. How to do that? Phone. All my field officers, area managers, regional heads, sales heads, national heads, general managers, vice president, including myself, we have started connecting doctors over phone, not only for business, also to inquire about their well-beings. Our doctors were staying in hotel, leaving their family aside. Their small babies are not being allowed to come closer to them. It was so heartening to see that. The baby is crying and the lady doctor, she is not able to touch the baby. Imagine the pain. And they were being parked into the hotels for 15 days quarantine. And again, 15 days they are being allowed to stay at home. And again, after 15 days, they are working in hospital, staying in hotel. Dear friends, these are the personal touch, stay lifelong. And people remember those companies who really inquire during tough time. And you can see direct phone call to 33,000 doctors per day. Through WhatsApp connected 1 lakh doctor. We have done a webinars like what we are talking now, 320 webinars and continuous medical education on COVID management. We have connected close to 51,000 doctors where one-to-one interaction. Not only that, we have tied up with one of the reputed company from Bombay. The company is Global Space. is a public limited company, and we got a virtual clinic developed for our doctors. Those are the elderly doctors. We said, no, you should not go and touch your patient, but at the same time, your earnings should not be stopped. And what we did, develop DocExa. And through this app, they can connect their patient, patient can take appointment, patient can make them payment, patient can be seen on this app, patient can be given prescription. Basically, we have created a clinic at the doctor's residence. Tell me, which doctor will not be happy with Cadila Pharma? And it cost, it is not free. It cost to Cadila Pharma. But as one of the responsible organization, we feel is a corporate responsibility to extend this kind of support to our doctors. And we did it. More than 30,000 doctors were offered this app, virtual clinic, that's called telemedicine. And doctors were so happy. Their earning continued, the patient social distancing maintained, and we could able to protect. It was a government initiative approach. It was a government initiative approach that maintain the distance. 8, you can treat to the patient, and 8, you can make doctors to also leave his livelihood. Free में तो वो भूखा मर जाएगा doctor. His earning gone to the dust. We are into hospital business. We know, Abhinand know what happened to our hospitals. It's okay. But still we wanted to have all these ways and means to avail the opportunity, rather crying like many other corporate. So the point what I'm trying to say here, that we had many success stories, but you see the initiatives. No work from home, no closure of office, everyday working 24/7. People have been running after the truckers and the drivers, ensuring retailers make my product available, and ensure doctors are provided all required information for COVID treatment. And in the process, we became the most sorted company which can be respected by the society. And our slogan, care continued, saved life, achieved highest business growth. सारे कुछ हो गए. People life saved, our care continued philosophy achieved, and as a corporate business also achieved. Imagine the change which has happened in Cadila. And I personally feel these few statements which gives me confidence that when you take full care, when you take care of your employees, when employees also take care of the customers, when the customer takes care of their patient, always things happen. And it's a chain. Somebody has to take the lead, like our Prime Minister has taken a lead to boost the confidence of Indian citizens by thali baja ke, deepak jala ke, shankh baja ke. My wife actually blown the shankh. Society में लोग बोले अरे भाई क्या हो गया? So सारे COVID चले गए, मेरे बंगले के आजू बाजू से चले गए. So see the happiness what we try to say that, and in the process you make a new road, new journey, and that's called team achieves together. It cannot happen alone. And it was a complete teamwork where sales team has worked from home because they were being not allowed to go to invite infection. No rationalization of staffs in Cadila, just for your information. No expense cutting in Cadila. We are proud of this. Necessary changes implemented for employees travel to office and the canteen. We brought changes, all hygiene thing, appropriate medical facilities provided to all the employees, and all employees are highly motivated today, and their morale has gone up tremendously, and team is ready to take up a new challenges in future. So during this crisis, the Cadila as a brand name, the corporate, has emerged big hero in terms of launching SafeCVAC and that has really made a new history. It was into the news across, and that has saved many, many lives. Repurpose the drug. The drug was initiated, I think, launched for treating tuberculosis long time back, but now it is changed to treat COVID. It is passed for sepsis, but now treating COVID, because the death is very similar in sepsis and COVID. And that where we could able to achieve a great milestone to save many lives. Necessary approval obtained from the regulator to do that, and 5,000 COVID patients treated successfully. So it's a great contribution to save 5,000 lives through Cadila initiative. So the point what I'm trying to say that these are the initiative, and what happened? For this contribution to the society, we got the highest ever sales July and August, and that was the record breaking, which is worth mentioning to this group of people. We broke our 70 years old record in crisis. In crisis. Had it not been crisis, I don't know what would have happened. So we had two things: lock down the office, work from home, limited production, safety. But we have opted a different route, and that route has made us to cross. First time we have achieved 200 crores of sales, and I would like to clap for the contribution of all the Cadilians, which has really done that. And I could see, Avinand, your smile on your face. All the best, right? So,
That's an achievement under the true leadership of yourself and Dr. Modi and all the team.
Modi is the common factor, by the way. So let me come to the fact which I'm going to talk about. Rock on. Cadila Pharmaceutical. This is the external report which comes by IMS and IS. Is an external report which is published every month, and more than 500 companies subscribe this report. The government of India refer this report of healthcare journey. We are growing by 12.1%, and market is only 0.2%, and that is the success story, even recorded by the industry, the analyst. And had it been a public limited company, our share price would have gone 500 times. But anyway, next time we'll try. So this is how the whole changes has happened, and we are among top 30 corporate in the country. Our ranking is 25th rank. We have ranked 5 ranks in these days. 5 ranks we jumped. घर में बैठे होते तो ये नहीं होता. And that's the point we are trying to say. This is as per the AIOCD, All India Chemist and Drugs Association. AWACS is an organization, and that is the report of month of August. July, this is July, and August is a similar report. Right? So this is one. और क्या हुआ? See the next slides. Hold yourself. August. Again, we became the fastest growing company. Market is minus now. Market has gone negative, and Cadila has become 11.1%, the fastest growing company among top 20. And this is called grandiose performance by Cadila's warriors, COVID warriors. I must put this way. All COVID warriors has worked. So congratulations to all my employees. If any one of them, or anyway, if listening to this, that is what is called avail the opportunity. And then there is these are the brands of the industry, brands. I don't know whether you know or not. Each brands are into, say, 500 crores. These all are in crores. All are in crores. 500 crores, 500 crores. And see, Asiloc is Cadila brand. If you see at the bottom, it has jumped 8 ranks. First time in the history of entire, you see from top to bottom, only one company brand has jumped 8 ranks. 8 ranks. That is Asiloc. Is a new record. Congratulations to all the Cadilians. What it is called? Commitment, service. So when we work hard during COVID, professionally, commercially, we gain many ranks. There are 5 lakhs brand in India, pharma brand, 5 lakhs. And our company brand is into 20. And this month report has come, just to inform you, we have gained 11 ranks. This is July report, 11 ranks, and our brand has become 18th rank, the August report. So I think hard work never go unnoticed. It's a very exciting journey. It's a corporate presentation for all the future leaders. And I thought, let me put some essence so they can learn from this. And then we got so many awards. Of course, I was presenting Sepsivac to the group of doctors in the country with all ministers. And we got first Nobel Drug Prize for treating COVID for Cadila. Congratulations to all my, great Cadilians. And also for patient education program, we got the first prize. We got many prizes because we have not worked from home. We have worked from office. We have worked from front. We have dealt with each and every employees of this company. And we wanted to see that great opportunity, COVID for Cadila, so that I can serve to the society and also I can serve to the whole world. So up to this, I'm going to stop here. And now for these students, I'm going to run a video, which is most important. If our mind would have been blocked like many, I don't think we would have achieved it. So I have a video which I would like to run for all the students, and then we will go for question answer session. So listen to this video, very wonderful video.
Two ways of living a life. Either you remain fixed like a tree and think that only this is what you are, or you be flowing like a river and explore opportunities more than your potential, more than what you can actually do, and keep growing in life. Hello all, I am Sonu Singh, an image consultant, a behavioral skills trainer, a conference partner, and an enthusiast public speaker. And today my topic is mindset. What is a mindset? Mindset is nothing but your own belief of your own skills and potential and what you can do in life. So as a child, if you have been always restricted and conditioned that this thing can be done only in this particular way. So that means for doing any activity or doing any kind of work, you have only one set of way of doing it. Then your mind that gets developed is kind of a fixed mindset. You think that whenever in your life you'll get this opportunity to do it again, you will never think of options. You will never challenge that we can do it differently. You will never think out of the box. But if you as a child had been given the option to explore things, to experiment things, and to do it the way you wanted to do it, and still got applauses for it, you will always fight your challenges. You will always see a challenge as an opportunity for you to learn, grow, and be an excellent person. And that is what is called as growth mindset. Now, shifting from fixed mindset to growth mindset is not difficult. The first thing.
Sorry for the technical glitch. One sec.
Two ways of living a life. Either you remain fixed like a tree and think that only this is what you are, or you be flowing like a river and explore opportunities more than your potential, more than what you can actually do, and keep growing in life. Hello all, I'm Sonu Singh, language consultant, a behavioral skills trainer, a confidence partner, and an enthusiast public speaker. And today my topic is mindset. What is a mindset? Mindset is nothing but your own belief of your own skills and potential and what you can do in life. So as a child, if you have been always restricted and conditioned that this thing can be done only in this particular way. So that means for doing any activity or doing any kind of work, you have only one set of way of doing it. Then your mind that gets developed is kind of a fixed mindset. You think that whenever in your life you will get this opportunity to do it again, you will never think of options. You will never challenge that we can do it differently. You will never think out of the box. But if you as a child had been given the option to explore things, to experiment things, and to do it the way you wanted to do it, and still got applauses for it, you will always fight your challenges. You will always see a challenge as an opportunity for you to learn, grow, and be an excellent person. And that is what is called as growth mindset. Fixed mindset.
There's some problem. Some problem. Okay.
Growth. Thing and grow. In life, challenge it. Say that I can be better than this. Second, don't run for perfection. Perfection is a myth. Always run for excellence. Always strive to get that excellence in your work rather than being perfect in your work, because perfect is nothing. And perfect is no one. It's a myth. Okay. So run for excellence and you will be able to achieve your goals in life. And third, most important thing is believe in yourself. Your self-belief, your self-motivation, your self-talk that yes, you can do it. Yes, you can challenge your things will take you to a level higher, wherein you will see that slowly and steadily you are moving from having a fixed mindset to a growth mindset, and you will see a change in your life soon. So I hope this video helps you a lot. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. The link is below. I will be giving you these 3 tips in the description box also. Thank you so much. This is Sonu Singh signing off for today. Your confidence partner and an enthusiast public speaker. If you want me to talk on any other topic, do comment in the box below.
So I think you all heard about how the things changes. That's all depends on mindset. And if I have to conclude one learning, that in Cadila, we believed in having the growth mindset, and that is the reason why all we have achieved, and we should able to keep on enjoying that care continues in Cadila in order to serve the society. So with this, my talk, my message is over, and I thank each one of you, the organizers, especially Avinand and Pradeep, Dr. Namrata, you all, and Dr. Sumit, you all have really taken our time to listen to me as well, and all these students. So now I am open for any question answer session, and thank you so much.
Wonderful, amazing, sir. And I will invite Abhinand sir to reflect upon. And we are today connected with our provost, Dr. Yadav also, and our dean, Dr. Bharti also. And
Thank you, Dr. Bharti, and thank you, Dr. Yadav.
Madam, unmute yourself, and we can say at least hello over online, you know. That is how we are left with.
Yeah, it was a wonderful lecture, sir. And we would love to meet you in person.
Thank you so much.
You must also, you know, anytime you find a time, you can always visit the campus. It's a beautiful campus.
So I have been to the campus, sir, twice because of Mr. Abhinand.
Yes, you've been there for the Navratri celebration. Yes.
Yes.
We have Dr. Amish Vyas also, who is registrar as well, Dean School of Engineering.
Hi,
Sir, welcome, sir.
Hi, Dr.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you, Dr. Singh. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yadav, sir, would you like to reflect something, Yadav, sir? Could you please unmute because he's connected and we are very delighted to joining, this session. We all were looking forward for this. Okay, till he joins, I invite Abhinand sir to reflect upon our take-home messages. When it comes to me, definitely I'll say, sir, that true CSR initiatives were taken by Cadila, and the
Yes.
definition of warrior has changed from the frontline soldiers to the on-field and every walk of life, the warriors, right from pharma industry who are, working 24/7 in the industry producing, this medicines for the doctors at the field. So everyone has become warrior. Definitely, I see this COVID has converted the challenges into opportunities, as you have rightly said. And you have given a very good message to our students, the life skills and the real the skill sets, which a leader should possess. So over to Abhinand sir for more reflections.
First of all, I would like to thank you, OP Singh sir, for highlighting the story of Cadila Pharmaceutical. We have been blessed with visionary leaders like Dr. Modi is there, Dr.
Yes.
OP Singh, Mr. OP Singh is there, who have been taking care of their employees like their family, and that is the true spirit through which Cadila is now going into the next generation. And that is the spirit of Cadila, which is binding the family, and that's why our employees are charged up in this COVID times, and that's where the sales is rising. So the culture building, which is centric to the employees, is the true spirit of Cadila. The care continues, and that has been very effectively highlighted by OP Singh sir. And in that culture also, our stakeholders, most important, the doctors, we care for them like anything, and that has been highlighted by the spirit of OP Singh and his team. And that's a take home, and it is a learning process for everybody. And taking in this COVID time is a challenging task of the next level 130 plus crore in a month sales for Cadila. It's a true marvelous thing. It's a hero. He's a hero.
He's a 200
Yeah,
for the corporate.
yeah. So that's the spirit, with which you are going ahead. And leaders only can do that part.
No,
Principle.
हो गया है?
I think Yadav sir is there. Probably would like to speak.
Yes, sir. I request Singh sir to please unshare your screen so that we can see the speakers.
Yeah, we will do that.
Hello.
Yadav sir, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Yes, I'm good, sir. We are waiting for you to say something on this because you have been with us, in this entire webinar.
First thing is, OP, excellent.
How are you?
I'm fine. Actually, I was expecting some jokes also, like last time you said. So I thought some jokes will come, jovial jokes. But we disappointed. But presentation was fantastic.
Thank you so much.
And presentation was fantastic. And some share we like also to take our Sepsivac, lot of advertisement we have put.
Yes, you are right.
Not be,
Sepsivac, I think we should recommend all the people. I think you know that 4,000 employees are being given as a prophylactic measures.
You know who is the first one taken? First one I have taken, me and my wife.
Wow, very good, very good, very good, very good.
Then we persuaded.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So see what is the problem in Hyderabad, also in Chandigarh, where already PGI is doing tests.
Yes, absolutely.
Bhopal, my friends are there in ISER.
Yeah.
Fortunate part is
Correct.
no doctor is ready to give Sepsivac injection.
Yes.
They are saying it is not there on the record, it is not there as a line of treatment. This is becoming very, very difficult. The people are taking without knowledge of doctors.
Yes, you are right.
Only, the result should be published faster. That's what I can
It's going to happen soon.
Right. You know,
Get
many,
news
even the
soon.
patients are not taking, किधर लिखा है, एक कंपनी जो ऐसे ही प्रमोट कर रही है, something like that.
But let me tell you, this drug is approved by DCGI for the treatment of sepsis. As per the law, repurposing of drug is in purview of any medical practitioner.
Right.
How to do that? I'm a
Right.
doctor, and when I see the mode of action which is going to really take care of the COVID treatment part, I say do that because most of the patients are dying in COVID due to the cytokine storm.
Right, sure.
You know, inflammation into the body, and it
Right.
can do that. And the similar situation happens into sepsis. So
Right.
medically, it has similar action.
Right.
It's a matter of certain documentation, which of course there are departments which need to give, but doctor take a decision if life is saved. He has power to do that because it is not unapproved drug. It is approved drug for treating sepsis. So that way, legally, it's yes, you can do that. But doctor has to write.
See, the problem, you know, the people are dying because of, it is going to sepsis only, because of lung infection, kidney, all kind of things.
Yes, very right. You
It's
said it.
actually all sepsis symptom only.
Very right. You said it very similar, 99% similar symptoms.
So, right. So that's why this
The viral load, other than the viral load. But now let me tell you, it doesn't reduce virus load, but it makes the immune system so strong. It is an immunomodulator. It modulates the immune system of the body that controls IL-6, one of the receptor through which the virus enter into the body and it prevents there. So scientifically, अब थोड़ा साइंस भी बोलना पड़ा आपको डॉक्टर साहब एनीवे यही जोक था इस टेक्निकल डिस्कशन में यही जोक्स था हम अब सेप्सिवैक की मोड ऑफ एक्शन बात कर रहे हैं
ये जोक था ठीक है अच्छा जोक था
थैंक यू
see
yes so if any
Hyderabad many doctors I convinced doctor themselves has taken as a prophylactics, okay? Many, right? Because that people know. Only thing is, see, it protects from leprosy almost 7 years, right?
Yes.
Only not done for sepsis. How long it protects, right?
You were talking about prophylactic action. That's
right, for sepsis.
No. For sepsis, it is completely treated and
right.
It is not being used as a prophylactic. Not
right. It is taken as a therapeutic
treatment.
Right. But
in critical patient.
Right.
Death saving is 50%.
Right.
Out of say 15 patients, 7 are saved. So it's a big thing for a drug to save 50% life.
See, you might have heard that AIMS director, Guleria, is saying.
Pradeep Guleria is a good friend of mine.
Pradeep Guleria.
Since you said it, I think this is his card.
Okay.
I had a meeting actually.
Because in some of the award we were member in that. So
okay. He is a great doctor, great human being. He was in charge of Gujarat COVID control
so what
center.
he was trying to say, that after COVID, many people are dying because of the lung infection after they have recovered.
Yes.
And heart problem has come after they have recovered.
Yes.
Only thing is, he didn't say, I'm sure the people who have taken Sepsivac, they will not get that lung and heart problem because it will protect longer time.
Yeah, because it gives better body immune protection.
Immune system, right?
Yes.
That one, that one somebody should see the people who has taken Sepsivac. What is the result of post-COVID?
We have our own story in Cadila Pharma. Dr. Saab, we lost a couple of lives in
Right.
the manufacturing site. But then we decided to vaccinate prophylactically after taking consent of each employees. Because
Right.
we not force anybody. If you
Right.
if you volunteer, you will be given. Of course, that was our social responsibility. So all those patients who has taken Cefsivac and they got infection of COVID, their recovery rate is very fine and no effect to lungs, what you said. There is no
Right, right.
opening to the lung.
Right.
So what you rightly said.
That's why that's what I told. Me and my wife were the first one to take Cefsivac.
Very nice, very nice.
Follows.
Good health.
Yes,
both of
maybe
you.
Cadila, we are the first one to take.
You have to want to take, Dr. Jadhav.
You may not be knowing, the problem was, see,
Yeah.
this vaccine is there from 99 onward, 97 onward.
Yes, you are right.
But there was a problem of its stability.
Mm, mm.
It used to denature.
Yes.
So in this, then we had done some chemistry intervention in that.
Okay.
So we were involved during that consultancy process.
Wonderful. I am really thankful.
So that's how I know this vaccine.
Okay, wonderful.
This new version came in 2011, right?
Yes.
10 years. And after 11, the life has increased. There were some conjugates were used, chemical conjugates to
Yes.
that proteins are not denatured.
True.
True, no? So that's why I knew this whole story before 2011.
I'm so happy. The guy who has invented and were part of structural changes of this vaccine, Mycobacterium W.
No, I've not invented, but we have made the.
No, this product was for AIIMS, actually Delhi. Originally, this product was invented by All India Institute of Medical Science, Delhi.
Right.
And that how the Mycobacterium W, that strain was being given to Cadila under the NCLT program.
Right.
Happened to be the partnering with government of CSIR.
Right.
So that was how it is. But I'm so happy to hear that you have worked on this vaccine also. That's very good.
Then we were there as a consultant at that time.
Wonderful.
Me,
Hearing all
CM
this.
Gupta and CM Gupta and K. Ganguly.
Yeah, they are our SAP
So-
committee members.
So we right. So we used to meet regularly every month.
Okay.
After that, after 2008 onward,
Yeah.
my timing, I was a director, not matching with their time. Then
Okay.
I graduated and chemistry started doing alone, direct chemistry.
Right.
The chemical things I was looking after. And the major contribution of Nebula
Yes. Yeah.
to bring down the price.
Right.
Nebula. A huge, we
But
brought.
I must thank you, sir, Dr. Saab,
Huh?
for your contribution. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Saying it was very nice. We heard very.
Pleasure, sir. Pleasure.
It was nice to interact you.
Pleasure, sir. Pleasure.
Thank you. Did you go to your hometown or not in this?
Not at all. 6 months I was into my Bhat hometown.
Okay. Okay, then I hope back home everybody is fine.
Yes, all are good, sir. All are good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you.
Thank you, Yadav sir. Thank you, Singh sir. We were just mesmerized with the conversation you people were having and listening and trying to understand. Over to Pradeep sir quickly to take something.
Sir, I will just take 1 minute of yours. I know, sir, the time is precious.
No, I'm available. Please tell me. For students, I'm available. Yes.
Sir, actually, from you, we have to learn so many things. I know you from last 7 years now, and you always have been grounded. You are a person who's always exhibited the humanity. For you, the human comes first, sir. So the question is, and the question I have seen in the panel also, how to face these, sir, failures of life? Because the new generation is highly aspirational. They want to achieve everything. They want to grab everything. But what if I am not able to achieve? What if I fail? So can we listen something from you, sir, on this?
Excellent. Great question. So when you fail in life, you see OP Singh only. That's it. I want to be a doctor. I wanted to be a doctor. Right? I could not succeed because, as I mentioned, that most of my time was going into the common room of a college where the students adda ghar. Bolte hain na adda ghar. So if you are not studying seriously, you cannot become a doctor. But when you realized that I have missed the bus, then you got a second chance in life to become a medical rep in Glaxo, the world #1 company. And that gives you a kick, the turning point. So the question is that even I am a failure, I should not lose heart. And I should not think कि अगर मैं engineer नहीं बना तो मेरी life खत्म. My dear friend, there are 10,000 options in today's era. Today, the most reputed persons are those who sings well, who dance well. But during my childhood, I went to picture, my dad said he's spoiling his life. What the hell he's doing? A man from Rajput Gharana going to, Nach Ghar. And today, it is a status symbol. My son is singing, my son is a Dance India dance. Dekho bhai, dekho. My son is now into the Bollywood. पहले तो अगर लड़की घर से निकल के अगर कोई नाटक कर दिया, it was okay, सीता भी बन गई, तो she was blamed, right? So the whole things got changed. Even you fail, it teaches you a lot. There's something better stored for you. If you fail, I'm not saying it's good or bad, but there is something better stored for you. And I think I am one of the example where I saw that fine, from a medical rep, you can reach to the president of any company. Beyond that, there's only owner. You can think of becoming entrepreneurial skills as well you can acquire. And I know many friends of mine. They are an owner in the pharma industry. Many pharma company, they are into top 30. Western Ahmedabad. So it is nothing called failure. आपका हौसला बुलंद होना चाहिए. Failure बोल के कुछ नहीं होता है. Impossible is nothing, and I always quote in my life. Impossible is nothing. It requires a complete strong determination and urge to stay back. Stay back. Don't fall. I think you can handle. You learn how to handle. And that is the only way you can handle, considering there is a better thing stored for you for life. That's why I have failed in this. अगर मैं डॉक्टर बनता तो मेरे साथ 4000 डॉक्टर फ्रेंड नहीं होते शायद.
सही है सर.
So you tell me, this is the best example. If anybody fails, remember OP Singh. That's it.
Okay. Right, sir. Thank you so much. Only thing, sir, I will say is, if you have to shine like a sun, then you have to burn like a sun.
Burn like a sun. Yes. This is a quote of one of my very favorite leader.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you shine like a sun, then burn like a sun.
Yes.
You have to work hard.
Yes.
You have to work hard. One has to be sincere.
Yes.
One has to be committed. What happened? This Kerala story, commitment was demonstrated by each employee. Commitment, it's a simple commitment. And that has shown a result that Kerala Pharma today in the industry is the fastest growing company and could able to save 5,000 lives. And lakhs of people benefited from vitamin D3. We have calcirol. I hope each one of you are taking once in a week. It is going to give body immunity. Calcirol, vitamin D3, zinc, vitamin C. These are the things what people are taking nowadays. Suppose if this pharma company stop manufacturing, I don't think people would have been given a better boost to their immunity. So I think commitment is very, very important to remain successful in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for answering this. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable and precious time, sir.
Thank you so much, all of you. Abhinand, thank you so much. Pradeep.
Sir, we are waiting for one of our students to say official vote of thanks. And also, I was very happy to know that there were so many questions also over there. one question, if you permit, then we will take.
Please tell me.
Yeah, sir, it's about this Sepsivac. That can we suggest Sepsivac drug to attain immunity to our near and dear in different parts of the country, since they are not in Ahmedabad during this COVID crisis? So, is it available in all parts of country?
It's available across the country, everywhere.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
But
And I
they
feel
should
today,
they should consult the local doctor to take it.
right. Thank you, sir. In fact, today I feel that the objective of this entire webinar, that is the association of IU with Cadila, has been met. That is really a turning point today, I see.
Thank
So thank you so much, sir. And over to Gunjan. Gunjan, can you please unmute yourself and tender vote of thanks?
Audible, ma'am?
Yeah, audible.
Hello, good noon, everyone. I, Gunjan Kumbhani, currently pursuing computer engineering from Indrashil University. Firstly, I would like to thank my faculty members for giving me this opportunity to deliver word of thanks to our today's speaker. So, Indrashil University heartily thank Dr. O.P. Singh for the perfect logistic support and guidance he has extended to all of us in this webinar. We are overwhelmed by listening to your kind words, sir. An experience you shared with us was really impeccable. And of course, we are sure this would be a step forward to a success path. It was worth listening to you, sir. I must say, you touched our heart with your impeccable words. Once again, we are really grateful to have you here with us and for your insightful perspective. Thank you, sir.
So nice of you, Gunjan. God bless you. Very nice to hear all nice words. I look forward you guys becoming corporate leaders in days to come. That's what my wish. Thank you, Dr. Namrata.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
you so
You
much.
refueled energy in us, sir. And all
Thank-
these days, I have been wrapping up, concluding words would have been always, stay safe, stay home. But now I will not say stay home. Let me on the front, because even I'm charged up, Most of the time I
Thank
used
you.
to say that only. So thank you so much, sir, for
Wonderful.
fueling energy in us. Thank you so much, sir.
I have last message to the entire people on
Sure,
safety.
sir. Yeah.
Though the whole world is working on vaccine of COVID, but in fact, in other day, I was talking to a group of doctors from Delhi and Bombay. So I made a statement, being a president of a company, COVID vaccine is available. They jumped on their chair. Well, what are you talking? It's not in news. I'm like, it's very much with you. So they said, what? So 3 steps for a complete vaccine. 1, please wear mask all the time. 2nd, maintain social distancing, minimum 3 feet, 1 gaj ki duri, minimum. And 3rd, keep applying sanitizer whenever you are touching anything. So if you wear mask, that's the only route of infection, nose and mouth. If you protect, the virus cannot enter to your body. So you are protected, you are vaccinated. And sanitizer, if you haven't touched by mistake something, so you are killing that germ then and there. And distance wise, if you are not coming closer, then still you are not able to get the vaccination, infection. So 3 things if you maintain: mask all the time when you are into the public domain area, hand sanitizer whenever you are touching anything, and then social distancing. These 3 things is the combination of COVID vaccine. Only 3 things. Please remember, vaccine I and I, if you maintain these 3, you are vaccinated. So congratulations for COVID vaccine available in your campus, in the university, and at your respective home. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir,
you
for
are
giving
saying-
this
sir-
vaccination.
Sir, you are saying SMS. Social distancing, social
SMS.
distancing,
Yes.
M for mask, and S for sanitization.
That's it. So you
So social distancing,
easy,
mask, and
SMS.
sanitization.
Correct.
SMS.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Have
All
a
the
nice
best
day.
to all of you.
Have a
Thank you.
nice day, sir.
Same to all of
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
Abhijit.
Thank you, Abhinand, sir. Everyone. Thank you, Mr. Pradeep. Everyone. Thank you, madam, for joining us and encouraging us. Thank you.